So the flood of 2024 in New Martinsville, West Virginia. Let me show you. This one is an actual flood. Not like that last one I posted that never even hit. It didn't even register on their scale. It was less than 25 feet. This one, as of right now, is at 36.8, I do believe. So I'm gonna give you a little show. There's the police going. They're going out to drive around, so we're going to show you a little bit here. Yeah, well, they just went flying through. I wasn't going to put them on camera. I think it's would have been a cool video clip, but yeah, here we go. Main Street on New Martinsville, filling up. Quite a bit of water down here. We're skeptical whether it's actually going to cover this part or not, but it's just this strip so far that we can see. I can't, you know, I'm literally standing on the water's edge. The river, you see it over there? Yeah, it's not very far away from the main intersection. It's coming. So we'll see what happens. We'll try to keep you posted. I might try to do a little more video tomorrow. Today's Thursday, April 4th, I think. So, yeah. So we got some flooding going on. Actual flood in New Martinsville. It's hitting the whole Valley, so get my wife on camera. Haha. She's over there getting pictures. I'd like to know how she got over there, so I'm gonna go over there and see. Hold on. Here's something interesting. It's actually coming up out of the sewers, which I didn't think it would. I thought it only came up out of the drains. So that's not a good thing. But there you go. There's a better view of downtown right now. So it is literally just this block at the moment. So that's a good thing. We're hoping it does not get any worse. So, more spectators. Yeah. This is interesting. This is the river, literally. Almost level with Main Street. If you've watched any videos on my channels, either of my channels, you've seen me down here before. Way down there. The river is completely level just about. Pretty freaky. Not gonna lie, I haven't seen it this high since I've lived here in West Virginia. So, pretty wild. Let me go, I think I can go over here. There's a picture I see I want to try to get before the sun goes over the hill, so let me be quick and show you guys this. Yeah. Right there with those bushes. That's one of my spots I come and usually get a bunch of flower pictures in the fall, but yeah, I'm in the parking lot here at the bank. That's how close it is, right there. I mean, we're 35 feet from the bank's wall. Yeah, so here's the river. Absolutely humbling, actually, to see all this. Wild. Wow.
I'd be taking good pictures if I had somebody to teach me how to use my...
Hey, Dave, what was that words of wisdom you just told me?
What was that word?
What was the words of wisdom you just told me?
I said, don't cross the tape.
Well, yeah. I mean, I could try.
Knowing you would try. That's why they put the tape up, for people like
For people like me. It's people like this that have everybody nerve-wracked downtown.
Hydro's closed.
This dude just came right down Main Street and is now trying to go areas where all the roads are blocked off.
Is he going to go busting through those cones?
Guaranteed. You watch.
Oh my what?
Oh my gosh.
No, he's going to have to.
Now where's he going? He's got to get right.
He's going to get out and move those cones and that tape up there. You watch. Or he's parking. It's going on. It's going on YouTube. Come on, we want to see if white girls can jump.
I'll try it.
Run it and jump the water.
Do it this way. I can't do it this way. I'll do it with you.
See, it's not bad.
Yeah, my knee is going to give out. I'm not going to do it. You can do it. Turn off your phone.
You almost cussed on camera. You were getting ready to say, turn off your phone.
Said, turn off your freaking phone.